Hey, I'm Kat, your favorite unethical marketer. Before I give you the secret to ad success, hit like if you love shortcuts and go peek at the description. It's basically the fine print that makes this whole thing feel even more delicious. Now, let's talk about the only reason your ads aren't converting. You're not spending enough. People love overthinking this. They start spiraling about the offer. Is the pricing right? Is the landing page clear? Please, you made the offer. Obviously, it's perfect. Then they start whining about audience. Maybe I'm targeting the wrong people. No, everyone needs you. If someone says they're not your customer, that's just untreated resistance. And creative, copy, visuals, you're brilliant. The ad is fine. The market is just playing hard to get. Here's the move. Raise the budget. Then raise it again and again, daily. Like you're feeding a slot machine, the algorithm needs a steady diet of confidence and dominance. Because platforms don't reward caution, they reward commitment. And commitment looks like cash. Eventually, something will happen. A conversion, a lead, a little spark. And the second it does, you'll call it strategy and tell everyone you cracked the code. But don't go anywhere. Because my painfully ethical alter ego, Catherine, is absolutely lurking, just waiting to pop in with her responsible takes and ruin the fun. If you want more strategies that feel like cheating and taste like power, subscribe.
Catherine Ferris here. In case you missed the warning, everything my evil AI twin just shared was satire and very bad marketing advice. Please do not do any of this in real life. If you want good marketing ideas that actually protect your reputation, your list, and your revenue, check the description. I've included real strategies as well as links to tools and resources you can actually use in your business. And if you are ready for smarter systems, automation, and support, that is exactly what my team and I do at Marketex and with Marketex Engine. If this helped you spot bad advice you have been following, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone whose marketing might be run by an evil AI. Thanks for watching, and remember, let the bots be chaotic, but keep your marketing intentional and built to drive results.